Hello, my name is Hannah Petrik, and throughout the following video tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the web conferencing software Adobe Connect. In this video, you are going to learn how to log on to Adobe Connect and what you have to technically prepare beforehand in order to successfully participate in an online meeting. All the information I'm going to give you can be reread on the wiki. In the sidebar of your project or course wiki, we have linked the wiki page Adobe Connect. Not only will you find a written tutorial on Adobe Connect, you'll also find all the links I'm going to talk about during this video. Before you can get started with Adobe Connect, you need to see whether or not you have installed all the necessary plugins Adobe Connect requires for the online platform. In order to use all tools provided during the meeting, Adobe Connect requires the Adobe Flash Player, the most recent update for your web browser, and the Adobe Connect add-in. Not all of these plugins are necessary, but we recommend installing them so you can use all the functions Adobe Connect offers. Adobe Connect also provides a website that checks whether or not you have the necessary plugins installed to use the software. And as you can see, I do need to update my Flash Player to be able to use Adobe Connect. You find the URL that transfers you to the conference room on the top of this wiki page. So now, when I click on the link to be transferred to the conference room, I can either enter the room as a guest or with a login and a password. If during the course you are not giving a username and a password, you can just enter the Adobe Connect conference room as a guest. So after I type in my name, and select Enter Room, the website asks me to install all Adobe add-ins because I'm using the tool for the first time. As I said before, we recommend installing the plugins. So I select Download Now. Now the website basically tells you what to do. You have to open the installer, then select Yes or Run, and after that you're free to join the meeting. So now I will just select OK, open the download, then select the download, then choose Next and Install. And now select Finish, close your downloads, refresh the page, open the application, and now you are logged in and ready to start a sound check. If you would like to know how to do that, watch the following tutorial. Bye!